Hey RVers, this is Ashley at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we are just doing a quick look at a recent arrival. This is a 2011 Newmar Ventana 4335. So this is a tag axle unit, just over 43 feet long, but it only has 28,000 miles and is in great condition. So I'm really excited to show you the inside. You can see already we have really nice neutral colors. Inside here we have lots of storage in this unit. This would be a great unit for extended trips or full-time stays. We have a sofa on one side that will also turn into a bed in case you wanted to have some guests stay over, but you don't have to tell them that it turns into a bed. Next to that, we also have a table that will extend out, and there is two color-matched folding chairs in the back. So plenty of space on the table here. Across from that, you have even more seating. This one has been upgraded with two recliners. And next to that, you have the kitchen. So here we have a 3-burner propane cooktop, and this is going to be your convection oven and your microwave. That allows to save space, so you have more drawers underneath the stove. You also have dual sinks here and a lot more storage. Across from that, you'll see another upgrade. This is your full residential refrigerator, complete with ice and water dispenser, and another TV. Further back, we get to our half bathroom. This is a bath and a half model. So you have perfect spot down the road or stop somewhere where you have the slides in, so you don't have to go all the way back to the full bathroom. This one in a stacking washer and dryer here, so you can even do laundry if you don't like going to laundromats. Back here in the bedroom, which is also separated by a actual door, you'll see we have an upgraded queen mattress on it right now. The bed base can also fit a king bed, so you have your option of king or queen. And over here you'll see more cabinets, more TVs, and you'll see we do have MCD shades blackout. And in the back, bathroom, so complete with a whole nother vanity, sink, more storage, and this is going to be our full-size closet and the matching chairs for the table up front, as well as this one you can see has the safe upgrade. Plenty of space in here, corner radius shower, really nicely optioned. You will not feel cramped in this one. A lot of hidden goodies and storage in it as well, all around the bed, under the bed, and plenty of plugins. This one also has a built-in vacuum that you can empty from outside. So very nicely optioned 2011 Ventana. I appreciate you taking the time to look at it with me today. If you have any other questions about this model or any of its cousins we have out here, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name again is Ashley at BISH'S RV, and you can call or text me anytime at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.